This is Tim McNulty with MarineMax Palm Beach. I'm going to do a little quick video here on a Boston Whaler 27-foot Dauntless. Perfect inshore, offshore boat, twin 4-strokes, great family boat, plenty of seating. Let's take a look. A 27 Dauntless Boston Whaler. This one has twin 4-stroke, the AMS naturally aspirated 225 4-strokes, twin. Has a nice fold up that folds away as well if you want to fish. Almost a full beam, but a nice big backrest on the stern seat. You have a slide out cooler. You have a nice live well. Moving on up to the console. Nice laid out console. Fiberglass hardtop. Got rod holders. Your leaning post with your helm seat. This one also has Raymarine, VHF, Fusion stereo, and enclosed head. It also stows away for the table. The table goes forward. As we go forward to the console, a huge, very nice laid out forward lounge with armrest. Underneath is a ton of storage. That goes down about 4 feet. Your forward bow seating, they also pop up with backrests to make a nice little sun lounge. If you want to face forward, it's a nice layout. We have a windlass on this 27. It is an option, but it's nice to have. You have controls from the helm and a remote. This one we also have a forward bow shade. It hooks in a rod holders forward, goes to the hardtop. Great inshore, nice offshore boat, perfect family boat, a ton of seating. It's a great family boat for Florida, especially around here. Come see us. It's Tim McNulty, MarineMax Palm Beach.